What are you doing? What are you doing? Osmolality? Google Hangouts makes my computer so slow. Like so much worse than it usually is.
I wonder if it's the camera. You could always try turning off the camera just to see. Sometimes
See if it gets better, yeah. I'll try that. Not like you guys need to see me.
Look at each other.
Let's turn the camera off.
Tawny, did you do part 2, number 7?
You're looking for my number?
Yeah.
Quick. Let's see. My number I mean, 46,160.
46,860.
160.
46,160.
What was yours?
Mine was 46,860.
Okay.
And Tim's was 48,600.
Okay.
Julian, did you do part 2?
Part 2 of the quiz?
Of the
Oh, no. Yeah, just number 7. Number 7D just asks for our numbers from the rest of the group, just so we can make a comparison.
Are you on the quiz?
Oh, no,
Like
just
the,
on the prep assignment. The second half of the prep assignment.
Give me a sec.
But I mean, Tawny, for that, I just did my own numbers. I just did a bunch of extra sets because it's like technically you wouldn't be able to do that, but I did anyways. And I think all it's trying to show us is that if the sample's normal, then your X bar is going to be normal, or the sample mean is going to be normal. And so that's true. Like when I did a whole bunch of them, they're all going to fall underneath the bell curve, with the majority of them falling close to or a dead center.
Yeah.
And then the average of them should be, very close to the center. Which I think that's all it was trying to show us, was just reinforcing that point, that if the sample's normal, or the population's normal, then the sample mean's normal, X bar's normal, normal's normal.
Yeah.
As soon as Deanna gets here, we'll jump into the quiz. Anybody have any questions on that part 2 from any of it? I guess part 1 too as well, if you have any questions.
No, I got 46.120.
So 46,120.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. So yeah, it's pretty easy to see from all those that we're running right at 46 or a little above, which is going to put us, at the center, a little off, but it's still all within the shape, the normal bell curve. So they're all normal.
Yep.
Nothing extreme. I think the only other thing on there that was like a little different is for 8C and D is that the mean will be 529, just like the mean is of the normally distributed sample group. But when you're finding the standard deviation of the sample group, you have to do the standard deviation divided by the square root of 10, I think that's one of the big points that came from that, because I tried to do it, and I was like, I don't think this is right, because my number was way off, and then it was because I was forgetting to divide by
Oh,
10.
that makes sense.
Anyways, that's the point to take away from that. Congratulations,
You really want
us.
to drive these things home, so they just kind of ask you again, and ask you in a different way.
So many times.
Yes, pretty much. How many ways we can ask this?
Hey, Tim, do you need Julian or someone to screen share so that way you can stay with us as we're going? Because his computer's going really slow.
Actually, since I turned my camera off, it's pretty good on the voice.
Sweet. Well, yeah, if you just have any questions, then we can slow it down if it lags up.
Will do. You guys don't want to look at me anyway. It's fine.
I don't look at anyone. I spend my time looking at our.
Yeah, right. And I'm eating chips, so I'm gonna mute myself.
It looks like
Too noisy.
there's only 12 questions, it looks like.
Is my vacuum too noisy? Do you want me to turn it off, Ron?
I can't even hear it.
You can't hear it? Okay.
Yeah.
It's nice to have a servant sometimes.
That's right.
It's a robot, but you know, I'll take it.
I was about to say, you have your little 3-year-old vacuum in the carpet for you.
That would be cool. No, he's at my friend's house because I have to go to a surgeon after this.
Oh.
Okay, let's go home.
Yeah, so let's
Okay,
just jump into the quiz, and then we can catch Deanna up, because she didn't send text or anything about not being late, so I'm not sure what her deal is. But we'll catch her up. It shouldn't be bad. There's only 12 questions.
Okay.
Or, well, less than 12 if you don't count the first 2, which are giveaways.
Yeah, that's true.
If I can open the thing. Okay, question 3, if everybody's there.
Yeah.
When you're taking a sample size of 5, n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed?
Right, skewed.
Yeah, skewed right. It stays with it because it's so small. It's not going to normalize unless it's way higher.
Right.
Sample size n equals 100. What is the shape if it's right skewed? That wouldn't be normal because it's huge, right?
Yeah, I like
Yeah.
these questions.
Yeah, I know.
These are good questions.
When the parent population is normal, it's going to be normal if we're only at 5.
Yeah.
6. Wow. Seriously, it's going to be so easy.
Yeah, I'm liking these, man.
If it's normal and there's a huge group, then it's still going to stay normal.
Yeah.
If it's normal, it's normal, it's normal. One with the distribution means be normally distributed.
Let's see. Choose all correct. So 1 is correct. 2 is correct.
Is it A, B, and D?
And 4. Yeah.
This one has, like, you highlight them, so I don't know if everybody's is the same, but if it's normally distributed, if the population is normally distributed, then it's going to be normally distributed no matter the size. So check both of those,
Yeah.
and then if it's right skewed,
The
and
large
is
sample
large.
size, right?
Yeah, if it's right skewed and large.
Deanna just texted that she's not coming.
Okay. Yeah, Deanna you all got the text. So there should be 3 of them that are checked. The only one you don't check is right skewed and sample size is small.
All right, that makes sense.
Okay, and 8, central limit theorem.
Are we looking at the one that says if the sample is large, the shape of the distribution of sample means will be approximately normal?
Okay, is that the answer? I was reading though.
That's because like the 1 to 68, 95, 97, 99, that's something different.
Yeah, it's different. And then
And then the other two are like really similar. I feel like.
Yeah, I don't think it's the sample size is large. The sample mean X bar will be close to the population mean mu.
I feel like the sample size is large. Shape of the distribution of sample means will be approximately normal. Makes the most sense.
Okay,
Unless someone is pretty sure about a different one.
I'm willing to agree with that.
I'm sorry. Somebody was talking. What was Vincent?
If the sample size is large, the shape of the distribution of sample means will be approximately normal.
For 8.
But I'm not really 100% about that, so
It seems like one of those is like more true than the other.
yeah.
Yeah. Really, it's about. I think that if the sample size is large, we would the abnormal distributions as well. So maybe that's the most correct. Yes.
I agree with Tim. The one that Tim said is as it
Sample
gets
size
large.
Yeah, that's the most correct. It covers all of the possibilities. Even though the parent population part is true, it's not the full explanation, right?
Yeah, so if the sample size is large, the shape of the sample means will be approximately normal. Okay, 9. So the mean's going to be 10.
Distribution of the sample means.
Tim, your background noise is super loud.
All right, you can mute me.
What is the standard deviation? Distribution of sample means.
So for 9, since the mu of the population mean is 10, then it's going to be 10 as well for the sample.
On 9, yeah.
Okay. Standard deviation of the sample mean the standard deviation is going to be 6 divided by the square root of 36, which is just going to be 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 11, regardless of the distribution.
Normal. Bimodal. We haven't even talked about that.
Be if it's greater than 30, it'd be normal, right?
Yes.
And then 12, what theorem would justify the response to the last question? Central limit theorem, one we just went over.
Yeah.
All right, so I missed 9 and 10. Which one was 1?
10.
The standard deviation's 1, right?
9 would be the same
Yeah, so
be
9, the answer to question 9 is 10 because the population mean is 10, so the sample
Uh-huh.
is going to be 10.
And then the standard deviation's 1.
Yeah, because you're going to take the standard deviation of the population and divide that by the square root of n, and the square root of 36 is 6. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
6 over
It's
6.
going to be 1.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's submit this.
If we got one of them wrong, you can always just run through it again.
Nope, we got 100. Good job, guys.
We are so smart.
We are the smartest people we know.
Well, sweet. I'm glad this was quick. I'll post it again. I'll post it this week. Connie, you posted it last week, right? Connie, you kind of froze on us. So. Tony? Is
Must be
Connie
your
still
Wi-Fi.
there?
It must be your Wi-Fi or something.
Can you see her?
She's frozen.
Oh, she's frozen on yours too. Okay. Well, I really hate it how you can't see if it's been posted unless you post something to it. So I trust that she posted it, but I just want to ask to make sure, and then I'll post it for today.
Yeah, and she just left, so.
Okay. Well, I'll post it.
All right, should be fine.
See you guys later.
See you
See you,
Wednesday.
man.
See ya.